Hi everybody, I hope that all of you are doing well. Today we will do a very nice demonstration. I will try to explain the principle of conservation of energy, and I will start with experiment number 1. So let's do that together. So what do we have here, guys? Here we have a ball. It is here, right here on this holder, and I have another ball right here. So this ball right here connected to this string, and this string, by the way, connected to the ceiling. So now I will try to do experiment number 1 and see if the principle of conservation of energy does work. With a pendulum, yeah. So you can see that this ball has this kind of movement when we try to move it. So now I will try to have this ball to be right here and with the same height of that ball, and we will see what will happen. Do you think that this ball will hit that ball? So let's see. I will try I will make sure to have this ball with the same height as that ball, and we will see what will happen. Okay, so let's do that. Make sure that it has the same height. Make sure that it has the same height. Okay, yeah, so this is the same height, and we will see what will happen. Yeah, we didn't hit the ball. What's the reason for that? I will try that again, so with the same height, and I will see what will happen. Didn't hit the ball. So let's try now with increasing the height a little bit, and see what will happen. It hits the ball. It hits the ball. So now let's see what we can do. So now, guys, I will have this ball with the height a little bit lower than the height of the other ball, and we will see what will happen now. So it is a little bit lower right now, so it's not at the same height. Okay, so let's see what will happen now. Yeah, there's something happened. So what is that? Think about these 3 experiments, guys. So in experiment number 1, the ball never hit. In experiment number 2, I could manage to hit the ball. And also when I did the 3rd attempt, I could manage to hit the ball. So what's the reason for that? Use the principle of conservation of energy to figure out why this happened. Hi everybody. Here we have another experiment that can help you to understand the principle of conservation of energy. I will do this straightforward and simple experiment. What I have here I have 2 springs, as you can see right here. So 2 springs, and I will try, guys, to squeeze those 2 springs by making those 2 cars close to each other. And then I will release my hands suddenly. So what will happen? Each one of these cars will go in the opposite side of the other one. And I would like to explain what happened here. So I will try to squeeze them like this. And after I squeeze those cars, I will release my hands simultaneously together. Now, guys, you can see that we did 2 experiments. The first one was about the pendulum. Experiment number 2 was about 2 cars with the spring. So now I would like you guys to connect what you have seen with understanding the principle of conservation of energy, and also using the principle of conservation of energy. So again, the questions: why I couldn't hit the ball at the first time. I did that twice, but I couldn't hit the ball. Why I hit the ball the 3rd time? Why I hit the ball and the 3rd time? Also, why I hit the ball in the fourth time. Again, what happened to those two cars, guys, after squeezing the spring and then release it? What happened here? Use the principle of conservation of energy to understand and explain why that happened. Thank you so much.